Hi.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Wait, what?
I'm like, it's
we're gonna solve
Yes.
this Rubik's Cube and
see who is the fastest, I guess. Picture
okay.
this guy. So yeah, it's been so long, guys, since we posted. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. So click the notification bell. So let's go.
There, right there.
Let's go there. Let's go there.
Hello to the person who's watching this. I'm gonna solve this. Yeah. Okay, so
Rubik's Cube. Yeah.
tada!
Wow! Siya! Huwag mo galawin. Ikot mo. Ikot,
Here you go.
ikot.
Here you go.
Ikot pa.
I finished it.
Good job, kuya.
Bye! Hindi pa.
This is making me stressed.
Panic
I'm suffering.
Panic buying ka na eh. How many minutes more?
Sige, wag mo gawin yung technique.
Yeah.
How many minutes more? 3 minutes.
Wait, it's 4 minutes now.
4 minutes?
Have 4 minutes
I
left.
think 5 minutes is like... It's like big time.
No, it's not.
You're panicking. You're panic buying na. Oh, inhale, inhale, exhale. See your face, facial expression.
Your nose
Your nose
becoming
and
big.
your mouth get long.
Hindi ako nakita ata. 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
What? Ang bagal naman na ilo mo.
That's how time is.
Anong klase?
You want stopwatch?
Kuha na eh.
2 minutes remaining na lang eh. Ba't nanginginig kamay mo?
I'm not.
Okay,
Your hands is shaking.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yes.
3 minutes agad. I didn't do your technique because I'm not.
What is your technique now?
Ginawa ko kasi sinabi hindi ginawa yung sinabi ko sa kanya.
Anong technique na yun? Kanya-kanya na lang.
She's building up the corner now. Hi guys.
Depends on your brain.
Roblox girl ka na.
Roblox.
Roblox.
Di pa tapos.
Wala na, panic na.
Wala ka na.
Yeah, that's good. Hello.
Nanginginig, your hands is shaking.
Imagine no one's watching you.
Yeah, no one's watching me. I'm totally focused.
YouTubers is watching you. Ay, mali.
2 minutes.
Ha?
2 minutes.
2 minutes is lots of time.
No, it's not.
Lots of time for me to solve it to the cross.
OMG. Wow.
You can make it.
Gulo siya eh.
Because
She's not used to fast. Sanay na siya sa mabagal.
I'm newbie. Okay, get it? Newbie.
That's okay. You try yourself. You need flashlight?
No.
No, I'm not blind. Okay.
You need flashlight.
Okay guys.
It is done.
She has 60
count.
seconds left.
Count.
Mata ako eh.
Sabi ko na nga 8 minutes ka lang.
Hindi.
Come on! Come on!
Need flashlight?
Wala na.
Please.
Saan ba kasi yung puko mo?
30 minutes. I mean 30 seconds.
Not correct. No one's correct.
I'm not breathing right now!
Okay, no one's correct.
Kapag may correct na.
And my time's done.
Okay, better luck next time.
Wala na. Boop.
You finish
Boop.
it.
No.
Don't stop the time. It's okay. Don't stop.
Okay,
Don't stop.
Protect this block.
Try to how.
No,
It's hard
it's not.
because you eat siopaw.
Yeah, it's Shoppa, I think.
Because of siopaw with
Shoppa, what happened to you? Why did you hypnotize me? Kanina I was practicing by myself. I
Okay.
did it.
And now you're panicking, panic buying.
Right.
Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale, inhale. You know why you take time? Because the Roblox is not good. It's not easy to rotate.
Why are you counting me?
Oh, sure.
Good job!
6 minutes and 11 seconds.
8 minutes.
6 minutes and 11.
Ikot mo, ikot.
Ikot mo, baka may...
She took long.
Your Honor, maybe there is some missing, no?
What?
Missing.
See? What?
Wala.
Okay, good job.
I tried my best, okay?
Clap your hands.
Clap my hands.
Mabilis kasi yung brain mo dapat.